Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given this diagram where we have parallel lines L and M, and we have three angles. We're told that Y is equal to 20 degrees, Z is equal to 60 degrees, we're asked to find the value of X. So the first thing you have to notice is we have this line right here, or line segment, whatever you want to call it. Let's just draw it on its own right here. And there's two parallel lines going through it, L and M. And M with this line makes the angle Y. And since M and L are parallel, L also makes the same angle with this line. So this is also equal to Y. So you can write in Y right there. These are what is known as corresponding angles, right? The parallel lines are making the same angle with the same line. Now we have this triangle right here, and we have interior angles X, Y, and Z. Now we know the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, therefore X plus Y plus Z equals 180. And we know Y is 20 and Z is 60, so we have X plus 20 plus 60, plugging in 20 for Y and 60 for Z, is equal to 180. Therefore, X plus 20 plus 60 is 80, is 180. And subtracting 80 from both sides, these cancel, and you get X is equal to 180 minus 80 is 100. So from that, 100 degrees, what is the value of X? B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.